A local band to hustle is putting all of your free time, and you know, even not your free time, into your craft. Just putting yourself out there, booking the tours, booking the shows, playing as much as you can.
This is the rainiest tour we have ever done.
I don't know, playing to as many people as possible.
A normal guarantee we can get in a city we played before is like 150 bucks, maybe $100.
You think you can make a flute work? They sent me.
When we talk about guarantees, normally they're referred to as gas guarantees because it's only supposed to pay for your travel to an extent.
Food on tour, yeah, it can get rough.
This is fine.
We'll make ramen, mac and cheese, frozen dinners. Basically, you know, anything you can make in a microwave.
The folks down at Great Value, premium shells and cheese, know what the fuck's up.
I'm trying to decide what is my side. My main course is the Boston Market country fried steak with gravy and mashed potatoes. God, no! Fattest. Walmart parking lots are the best place to piss.
Dude, Walmart parking lots are the best place to do a lot of things.
Dishonored, disgraced, yet live or dead. The theft grew like weeds through concrete. This is a life without redemption. Burning arrest, comatose. Killing and rise. Breathing in mold.
So here in Missouri, they've got fields of dogs just roaming freely. Missouri milk dog.
If we know we're going to like a landmark type city where there's like something big we want to all see, we'll make sure that we kind of drive at night or get up early to go check out or see whatever we can do. Fortunately, a lot of stuff's like kind of expensive, but we definitely take advantage of as much free stuff as we have time for, or really cheap stuff.
Oh.
Hey guys, what's up? This is our van. It's a 2015 diesel Ford Transit. We call it Van Diesel. From the very beginning of the band, this will be the 5th different vehicle we've toured in. We started in our old bass player's grandparents' Suburban, went to a Honda Ridgeline, then a Ford F-150 pickup truck, then we very briefly had a E350 van, a Ford E350 that needed way too much work that we couldn't afford, so we traded it in and got this bad boy. We installed some carpet because the plastic flooring just wasn't very homey, so we decided to put something that would collect a lot of dirt and get gross in there instead. Right here is our bunks. We have the ability to sleep 4 people, 2 on top, 2 on bottom, as well as a 5th person in a platform that's in the trailer that goes here. So we have enough room to comfortably sleep 5 people. I built a lot of this and Wesley helped me out, definitely.
I do it because I've been doing it for so long and I don't want to give up. I feel like we've honed our craft. I've practiced my instrument for a long time. I've written some songs that mean a lot to me and I have fun playing them, that if I give up now, even though, you know, it doesn't feel like we've made good headway in a while, I'm gonna look back and see, why didn't I push that extra couple months?
As much as it sucks, and there's lots of shitty parts to it, last night when I was falling asleep in the trailer, listening to the generator go, and the rain pouring down on me, I was comfortable and I was like, you know what, we played a kick-ass show tonight, and I had a good time, I was hanging out with good people, and it just seems like, when there's points in my life when I am not playing shows, something's missing. and it's something that like I can't not have.
I desperately want to continue doing this, because when it's bad, it sucks, but when it's good, fuck, it's good. Like this run has been absolutely incredible, because we're playing with fantastic bands, we're playing with fantastic people, and I'm just having a good time. You know, that's something I haven't experienced in a while, and that's given me a new lease on music, and which is super encouraging. I don't want to look back and see, you know, what could have been, because I think that we're just about there, just so close.
This is the famous Budweiser beer. We know of no brand produced by any other brewer which costs so much to brew and age. Our exclusive Beechwood aging produces a taste, the smoothness, and a drinkability you will find in no other beer at any price.